What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Everyone know 2019 is about to end and the competition year is starting in few days. I am talking about 2020. In this year, Samsung introducing his best S series phone. According to Ice Universe tweet, Samsung introducing S20 instead of S11. Samsung called S11 as S20. In next tweet, he said, "This is because next year is 20 and 20 is a new beginning." The release date of Samsung S20 is February 11 to 18. Samsung is gaining up toward the year 2020 with its Galaxy S20 with flat screen, bigger battery, bigger screen size, higher flash display and monster camera updates. Samsung S20 have 4 cameras with scope and highly pixels. According to a little test of Samsung S20 and iPhone 11 in laboratory, the Samsung is little faster than iPhone 11. Samsung choose very great name S20 in 2020, which is perfect for 2020 and good for marketing of Samsung in 2020. Samsung also adding a great and crazy features in S20, but we don't know it yet. And the great thing in Samsung S20 is it is fully waterproof. So guys, I hope you like this video and waiting for the competition year 2020. And I need your thought in comment section, and is Samsung S20 is good name for Samsung or not? If you like this video, support me by subscribing and see you in next video. Take care, bye.